In this video we are going to see how to find out this V sigma voltage. To find this one out, first we have to, V sigma is the voltage between this collector and the emitter. Okay, now to find this one, first we are going to find out the IC current, because we are going to apply KVL in both loop. In that way we can find out all the unknown variables and solve for V sigma. So first if I try to find out IC, to find out IC we have a formula: beta is equal to IC divided by IB, and IC is equal to IC times IB times beta. Beta is already known, that's 100. Now do we have IB? We have to find out what is IB is. So to find out what is IB, we are going to apply KVL in this loop. KVL in the loop 1. If I apply KVL, this is going to be 5, then minus 100k times IB, 100k times IB, and here we will have a voltage drop. VBE is always 0.7. We will have a voltage drop of 0.7. The whole thing should be equal to 0, and 5 minus 0.7, that's 4.3, minus IB times 100k, that's equal to 0, minus IB times 100k is equal to minus 4.3. IB is equal to 4.3 divided by 100k, that's equal to 43 microampere. Okay, now here we have IC is equal to IB times beta, and we just found out IB is equal to 43 microampere. So 100 times 43 microampere, that's equal to 4.3 milliampere. Now we are going to apply KVL in the second loop to find out the V sigma. KVL in the loop 2. This is going to be V sigma plus IC times 50. IC times 50 minus 8. Minus 8. You have to look at the current's direction. Based on the current direction, previously we had the current's direction from here to here, negative to positive, so that's why we put plus 5. Here it's positive to negative, that's why we put a minus. Okay, minus 8, that's equal to 0. And we already found out IC, that's 4.3 milliampere. Let's plug it right here. V sigma plus 4.3 milliampere times 50 minus 8 is equal to 0. So V sigma is equal to 8 minus 50 times 0.0043. So 8 minus 0.215, and that's equal to 7.785 voltage. This is our V sigma voltage, and that's it. IB is equal to 43 microampere, and V sigma is equal to 7.785 voltage, and IC is equal to 4.3 milliampere. And that's it. That's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.